Hi and welcome to the Techy Grandparent. Today, we're going to talk about setting up Amazon Alexa, a virtual assistant that can make your daily tasks easier and more convenient. Whether you want to play music, set reminders, control your smart home devices, or simply ask for information, Alexa can help you with it all. So let's get started with setting up your Alexa speaker. The first step is to purchase an Alexa device. There are several options available, including the Echo Dot, Echo, and Echo Show. Choose the device that best fits your needs and budget. Once you've received your Alexa device, simply plug it into an electrical outlet and connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Next, download the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. The app is available for both iOS and Android devices. Open the Alexa app and sign into your Amazon account. If you don't already have an Amazon account, you'll need to create one. Now that you're signed into the Alexa app, it's time to set up your Alexa device. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network and customize your settings, such as your preferred language, time zone, and music services. Once your device is set up, you can start discovering skills and using Alexa. Skills are like apps for Alexa that allow you to do even more with your device. To discover skills, simply say Alexa, enable, skill name, or go to the skills section in the Alexa app. Now that you're using Alexa, it's important to keep your information secure. That's why it's a good idea to set up a password vault, where you can store all of your passwords in one secure and encrypted place. You can use a password vault like Bitwarden, which is available for free and offers a wide range of features. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who could benefit from using Alexa. Don't forget to subscribe to the Techy Grandparent for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Start using Alexa today to make your daily tasks easier and more convenient. Happy Alexa-ing!